Bethany here with Atlantic Flag and Pole, and I am answering frequently asked questions. Today's question is my Phoenix Telescoping Flagpole going to be hard to install? That is a great question because obviously you do need to install your flagpole. It is considered a self-install and it's actually a pretty simple process. So I'm going to go ahead and refer you to a link that actually has the full installation process, but I just wanted to let you know in kind of a more brief answer that basically you're going to dig about a 2-foot deep by 14-inch wide hole. You're going to fill the first 6 inches of your hole with a pea rock or gravel for drainage, and then you're going to insert your ground sleeve that comes with your Phoenix Telescoping Flagpole kit into the center of the hole and basically secure it with concrete. Really it's a very simple process. If you are like me and want to pull somebody in to help you, that certainly can't hurt to do so, but it is considered a self-install, and I think you'll find it to be a pretty simple process. So go ahead and check out the link that is in the description of this video, and that will bring you to another one of our videos which goes through the whole detailed process of actually watching somebody install the Phoenix Telescoping Flagpole. I hope that is helpful to you.